Hello guys, I am your host Songho and welcome to my channel Bong Driver with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use a very little amount of water, like one bucket of water, to clean your car like Tata Nano. Because nowadays water scarcity is a big problem in my country, in my region also. So I'm trying to use very less amount of water to clean my car, and I'm gonna show you step by step procedure how you can do it yourself at your home also. So please don't skip the video, watch till the end, and if you like this video then please press the like button of this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the notification icon to get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video to my channel. So let's start the video on my count. 3, 2, 1, let's do it.
Welcome friends to my channel Bong Driver. So before starting the video, I'm gonna show you how to park your car. You can park your car like this, incline or decline, whatever you can, to remove the surface water along with dirt quickly by using the gravitational force.
So guys, before starting the video, I'm showing you all the requirements you needed to do this job. First, that's one full bucket of water, and it's I guess 100-liter bucket if I am not wrong. There is an also empty bucket, you can see empty mug. That's one is detergent, some cotton cloths, dry and clean, and you can use any microfiber cloth also instead of that, no issue. There is a car wash, and here I'm using Amway car wash. You can use anything, any car wash as per your wish. I'm not advertising anything. And it's a duster.
So guys, first I'm giving you a walk around of my car to show you how dirty it becomes. So as you can see, the dust and dirt is everywhere on my car, the metal part, the glass part, everywhere. You may not see it clearly on this camera lens, but trust me guys, it's everywhere on my car. And you can see this side also. So what you have to do first, you have to take that duster and then you have to use the duster to clean the surface dust from your car, because you know the whole purpose to make this video is to show you how you can use less amount of water to clean your car. So if you don't remove this dust from your car surface, then when you pour some water on it, it become a sticky mud like substances, and then you may require more water to remove that sticky mud from your car. So that's why you have to first clean that dust, loose dust from your car surface like this. So next you have to distribute some water from that big bucket to that empty bucket, like 5 to 10 mug of water like this. And you have to use that car wash and a full cup of car wash and pour it onto that water and stir very well to mix it with that water like this. Next you have to splash that clear water all over your car surfaces to make it wet like this. Next, pour some clear water into your mug and some amount of detergent in it, and then stir it well to make detergent water like this. Use one of your cotton cloth and absorb it with the car wash. Then you have to start rubbing that cotton cloth all over your car surfaces, and you have to always start it from the top. If you start it from the bottom, then it may become dirtier again, so you have to start from top like this. So once you have done that, you need to clear your cotton cloth by using that detergent water. I already prepared that. Next, we need a mug of pure water and clear that cotton cloth again with that pure water. Now I have to splash some clear water onto the surface of my car like this to remove the car wash along with the dirt. Next, you have to use that cotton cloth again with the car wash and rub your wheel cap like this. Leave your car for 5 to 10 minutes to let it air dry. Use another clear cotton cloth to clean the rest of the water from the car surface like this. So I am giving you another workaround, guys, just to show you the final condition of the car. And as you can see, it's right now it's almost neat and clean. So guys, let's check the final amount of water. As you can see, in this big bucket, plenty of water still left. So I must say, mission accomplished, guys. Thank you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you still not subscribe my channel, then a subscription from you will be divine. And one more thing guys, I'm requesting you to sing these 4 lines with me. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. So thank you guys, and please stay safe, follow all the COVID norms, use your mask and face shield always, and that's it guys, and we are gonna meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye.